Assalamu alaikum students. I welcome you all again to my Zoom meeting session related to the content management system, which is WordPress. This is our lab 5, in which our objective is to discuss the plugins, widgets and menu. First of all, I would like to describe the menu, what you have to add, menu and the submenu, how you can add a menu into your website. First of all, you will just circulate over the tab which is menu and then click over here. In this particular tab, you will have option add menu items. You can select all or you can select 1 or 2 pages, whatever you want to implement. This particular menu is containing pages. This containing posts, how many posts you have into your particular website. The links you can provide over here if you want to add any kind of link. And the categories. Right now in our website, we just have single category which is write. For adding pages to the menu, I will just select all and then click over add to the menu. I have added the complete pages over here. First of all, write 1, write 2, write 3. And this is the footer menu. I want to add another menu. Add menu. I will click over here. Primary menu. I don't want this menu in the footer. Select all. Add to the menu. Basically, I have not named this menu as a new one. So this is continuously changing my previous menu. I just want to delete this all stuff. Delete menu. Okay. My menu has been deleted from the website. First of all, I want to type create menu. I want to name it as man menu. Create menu. Footer and primary menu have been selected over here. I don't want to put this main menu into the footer. I will just click over select all and then add to the main menu. This has been added to the main menu. In posts, I have 3 posts. Select all and then add to the main menu. I have added all 3 posts into the main menu. Now we are going to see the view of our website. First we have to save the menu and then we will refresh over here. Our menu has been added. But now I want these categories such as ride 1 and ride 2 into the family rides. Roller coaster show and happy coaster show, these are, I'm okay with that. I don't want to add this. First ride and ride 2. Ride 1 and ride 2 become sub menu for the family rides. I want to delete this particular menu. I don't want to add it, so I just want to delete it. Just remove it from here. And now we are going to save this menu and refresh the page. So in your website, this is the main menu. It contains 2 subcategories in the family ride. We have covered our first objective, which was related to the menu. Now we come to the second objective, which is related to the plugins. Now I am going to describe simple plugins. Basically, plugins are softwares which we can use to edit our website in a very easy way. Right now I have installed Estimate plugin. Basically, this plugin is used to anti-spam. If you have any kind of spam mails or spam comments, then this will help you to secure your website. Now, first of all, I would like to add up a new plugin into our website, which is form, contact form. I have already downloaded 3 plugins into my particular category, such as like Eliminator, Contact Form, and WordPress SEO. Right now, we are just going to use Contact Form. Upload plugin. Choose file. If you have a plugin in a zip format, you may install or update it by uploading here. You can just click over here, and if you have a zip file of your plugin, you can also use that particular file over here. Contact form, and then open. Install now. Activate plugin. Settings. This is the main plugin which is going to provide you complete form, which you just have to edit over here. This is the form. You can simply add anything into your particular form by just clicking over here. You can place the options over here, name, required field or not. Just click over here. So you can easily create your particular form in this particular area, and then it will provide you a short code which is written down here. You just have to right click over here and then copy the short code. Then you have to add this particular shortcode to your page. This particular form which you have added over here will be implemented to the particular page. For example, I'm just going to save it, and in our pages, first of all, I have to copy that particular shortcode. Contact form, edit. I can copy this from here also, right, like this, and then copy this particular form. Now I'm going to my pages. Contact us page have been created over here. I'm going to edit this particular contact us page. I will just click over here, and then I will search out the shortcode block, not the code block. Remember this, you have to search out the shortcode block. This is the block of shortcode. Now I'm going to just paste my code over here, and then I have to update. I will view my page. The form have been added to my particular page like this. See, I have not added the complete information over here, but because I have just installed the plugin of Contact Us form, my complete form have been added to the particular page. This is why the WordPress is CMS, because it provides you very much easiness to install anything into your particular document. For example, we have multiple plugins which are in demand right now. Most of the plugins being used in WordPress are just because they provide very vast functionality to the website. This was basically a tutorial implementation of the plugins, how you can install plugin, how you can add different kind of category into your plugin. Now we are moving forward towards third objective of our today's lab, which is managing widgets. You can open up widgets by just circulating appearance, or you can also view your widgets by here. In the view of your website, you can also get widgets tab. You can also get menus tab and themes tab. First of all, I would like to access my widget tab by using appearance and then click over widgets. Here also I want to add some information that manage with live preview. For example, if you will open up this particular tab, I'm just showing you how you can customize with live preview in your website. Widgets are basically small implementations of codes, small implementation to add some kind of information in your particular website, customize in live preview. For example, this is the particular page and this is the you are customizing widgets. This is the sidebar. Sidebar is containing right now no widget. For example, it have search, recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories. You can add these widgets into your particular sidebar. If you want to implement it, just you have to title it and then you have to apply. The complete search box will be added into your sidebar of the particular page. For example, you can write anything and then simply click apply. And then publish it. First of all, it should remain published. When it will show that it is published, then our website will contain it. Apply. Does our sidebar contain search? It have not been added over here. Add a widget to the particular sidebar, which will be like search tab. I'm just going to add another thing over here, such as calendar. Did we get any kind of calendar over here? Footer 1, add a widget. No audio. In footer 1, we are going to add a calendar and then just publish. A calendar has been added over here. I don't know why search bar is not being implemented. Maybe it has been implemented, but I am not able to see that or anything. By the way, simple widgets can be added like this. I think this particular page does not contain any kind of sidebar right now. Any kind of image you can add over here. For example, add to the widget. Funny card, anything you can write now, and then apply. Publish. In footer 2 we have implemented this image. This image has been added into the footer 2. Okay students, this was a lab related to the menu, widgets and plugins. Thank you so much. Your tasks have been implemented on your LMS. I am just going to open up the lab for you. The objective of this lab is to make you familiar with use of plugins and widgets. I have described widgets and plugins to you people. We have seen this particular image over here, appearance and then widgets. You can choose any kind of widget according to your requirement. This is the content form, what I have described over here. This is the shortcode, what you will add on the particular page where you want to implement this particular form. Any kind of form you want to add in the particular page. These are basically the tasks, what you have to implement. Create menu and submenu. I have shown you how you can create menus and submenu. Customization of sidebar and footer widgets. This is also very easy. How to install and configure the plugins. I have also described this to you. Contact form 7. I have also described this particular form. Akismet, basically you have to log in this particular Akismet account so that this will be activated to your particular website. Jetpack by WordPress and limit logins is basically plugins. You have to implement these two plugins also. You have to just apply all these exercises and then you have to submit your screenshots of the particularly performed activity. Thank you so much. Best of luck for your exams. Thank you so much.